In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a random Zoom meeting ID. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, start by launching the Zoom application on your device. Whether you're on a computer or mobile device, the process is pretty straightforward. If you're new to Zoom, you might be familiar with the Personal Meeting ID, or PMI, which is often used for scheduled meetings. However, today we're going to focus on generating a random meeting ID, which is useful for ad hoc or spontaneous meetings. With the app open, head over to the home screen where you'll see different options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Our focus is on creating a new meeting, so you need to locate the New Meeting button. Right next to it, you'll notice a small arrow indicating a drop-down menu. Click on that arrow to bring up a few more options. Once the drop-down menu is visible, you'll see a checkbox labeled Use My Personal Meeting ID, PMI. It's crucial to ensure this box is unchecked. Leaving it checked will only create a meeting using your personal meeting ID, which isn't what we want here. Make sure that box is clear because an unchecked box tells Zoom that you prefer it to generate a fresh, random meeting ID for you. Next, simply click on the New Meeting button itself. This action tells Zoom to go ahead and create a new meeting environment for you. Once you click, the system automatically gets to work, generating a unique random meeting ID that you can then share with participants to join your meeting. Understanding the difference between a personal meeting ID and a random one can significantly enhance how you manage security and privacy during virtual gatherings. While the PMI remains the same for every session you host and might be more vulnerable to unwanted guests if it's ever made public, a random meeting ID changes every time, offering an added layer of security. And there you have it. Zoom will generate a random meeting ID for you automatically, and you're now ready to host your meeting with this new ID. This is perfect for creating private and secure meetings without the need to remember a complicated sequence every time. Remember, whenever you want a new random meeting ID, just follow these simple steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it gives you the confidence to host Zoom meetings with a little extra peace of mind. If you like this guide, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!